Embark on an enthralling expedition through the universe's splendors, where galaxies, the fundamental structures of the cosmos, unveil their stunning allure. Galaxies manifest in myriad forms and magnitudes, each narrating its distinct cosmic saga. From the grand spirals with starry arms to the venerable ellipticals, brimming with billions of stars, our universe forms a grand tapestry of celestial wonders. For centuries, astronomers have peered into the vastness of space, deciphering the mysteries of remote galaxies. Through the lens of mighty telescopes, we gaze billions of light-years distant, observing the genesis of stars and the ballet of galaxies, along with the rhythmic pulsations of cosmic events. But what origins do these galaxies hold? Our narrative commences billions of years in the past, following the monumental Big Bang. As the universe expanded and cooled, primordial matter gathered into immense clouds, ultimately spawning the earliest galaxies. Through the eons, galaxies evolve, occasionally colliding and merging, sculpting the cosmic landscape. These celestial collisions, while tumultuous, spawn new stars, perpetuating the cycle of creation and destruction that characterizes our universe. Yet within the splendor of galaxies lies a deep enigma: dark matter and dark energy. These mysterious forces, unseen yet formidable, sustain the cosmos's structure, propelling the universe's swift expansion. Owing to pioneering endeavors like the Hubble Space Telescope, we persist in demystifying the galaxy's secrets, delving deeper into the cosmos than ever before. With each revelation, we deepen our comprehension of our cosmic position and the marvels that lie in wait. As we traverse the magnificent galaxies of our universe, let us revel in the beauty, the intricacy, and the infinite possibilities that extend beyond the celestial bodies.